Hi everybody, what's up and welcome back to this channel. I recently bought a microwave oven. It's a 23 liters Hisense model microwave oven, and I wanted to share with you. I got it online from Jumia, Kenya, and it was a swift, smooth purchasing process, which was not a problem at all. Alright, so right here I'm just opening it, taking it easy. I don't want to ruin anything, and my kids are also there trying to help me out. I've been trying to save for a microwave for a while, and I knew what I wanted. As you can see, it's large capacity, not much power usage. It has timers, it has child safety locks and all that. Yeah, so I wanted to share that a bit of good news with you, and also while we're here, check in on you. How are you doing? Do you have any specific goals that you have set that you are trying to achieve? If you are, let me know in the comment section, and I will wish you the very best in trying to achieve them. Right, so that's the glass plate that goes inside the microwave. And then there's also the brown ring that you need to place the glass plate on top of. All right, so there's that polystyrene cover which normally helps to keep the machine intact in case it falls down, so there's no impact that would end up damaging it. All right, so I'm just gonna remove that and then take the microwave to where I'm going to be storing it in the kitchen, and then we'll take it from there.
So tight to be snug, she might be my baby, let me love you crazy, let me hold you down like gravity to the ground. Oh, she might be my baby, I ain't gonna be shady, I ain't messing around. Let's fall in love, I won't let us fade away, even when we old and gray. Know that I'll be here to stay. Let's fall in love, I won't let us fade away, even when we old and gray. Know that I'll be here to stay and give you that slow love, give you that
So I'll keep that empty box for future use, and here is our microwave. I decided to place it on top of the fridge because I don't have another space where I can place it for now. And this is how it looks like when you open it for the first time. There's that cover, there's a manual, there's a book there with some, like some cooking tips and recipes, which I thought were quite thoughtful to have there. And then there's also the manual on how to use it. Yeah, so as you can see, soup, tuna and all those things. Then this is the manual. It gives you all the instructions on how to use it, how to install, what type of utensils to use, everything that you need to know in terms of keeping safe while using the microwave, for your safety and for the microwave's safety as well. Okay, so there's a lot there that we are going to read much later. And now this is the inside. It's gray. There's that brown cover there which you should not remove according to the manual. Then there's that place where we're going to put the glass plate. Yeah, so we have to remove it carefully not to damage anything. So that's what I was doing over there. All right, yeah, so far so good. And with this I think we are set. The only thing that's left is to put in the starter, like put the microwave on, make sure it is working, because also remember I told you I bought this online, and in case it has any defect, I have like 5 days to make a report, get a refund or a return, do a return request, and then get a refund. All right, so I was adjusting that, and now it is perfectly fitted, very well placed, and the microwave is ready to use. All right, so we have many functions there, like different we have beverages, popcorn. Remember, this is also an oven, so we're going to be doing a lot more with it. Right, so that's it.